Some people don't even realize that you can have a Facebook business page. Let's fix that today. As we clear the chaos of client attraction, this is video 77 in my 100 marketing ideas to help you grow your business rapidly. And today we're talking about your Facebook business page. Inside of Facebook, you can create a page for your business. This is different than your personal profile. This is a page where people are going to go to when they're checking you out and checking out your business. Now, I created a video, 21 tips to optimizing your Facebook business page. I'll put that link somewhere up here in a little card that you can go to and check that out once we're done with this video for today. But what I want you to do is create a Facebook business page and optimize every single step of it. Because when people are exploring working with you, they're going to go to your business page to check out who you are and what you do. So you should be including great meaningful content, testimonials, testimonial videos, have the services that you offer, have the hours that you're open, your phone number, if you want people to contact you, and all of the other things that you can optimize. Just go through every single setting and make sure it's filled out and create that Facebook business page that makes people go, wow. The next video in this series can be found right here. The series from the beginning is right up here. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerted every time I drop a video just like this.